We're a family-operated business. My son and my daughter, my son-in-law are all in the business. I mean, we have good people, really good people. The way we treat our people, that's the way we treat our customers. We have a saying around here, and that is we give the customer what they think they bought. What they bought and what they think they bought is not always the same thing. And if the customer thinks he bought something and he didn't get it, I mean, he's not going to feel good about your company. So we do everything possible that we can do to make the customer realize that we're a straight-up company, that we're not selling stuff to be selling it. We only sell them what they need, and we stand behind it. This would be the second time I think we've won the award in St. Louis, and that's quite an honor. Everything in business has a cost. Joining the Better Business Bureau and getting in the accreditation program, there's a cost in time and money and effort, and you get benefit of being able to use that to promote your business. I think it's a no-brainer.